my mother say, the neighbor them we soon start send police from me because we're making too much noise at 10:30 in the night. I don't say no, but when the police them come, we don't deal with them like BUJU, you know. That's how we don't king like a boss. When the police them come, watch out there. See incident. It's not these incidents gonna happen. So Mama Belly me could go in an incident. Watch the wrongness of this. See Mama Belly say, alright, police should have come. You don't deal with police like this. If she go in the car, the van, the vehicle there. See her there? See them tell her come out. See the woman them come out type car, and mostly woman they deny car. Any man who deny car and a rash man, me telling you that. Yeah? See van there, then come out type van already. See driver, notice, alright, at that me just, because me can't see it good. Me can't see it good, but him shoot her already right there. So, but here all the shot fire. The shot fire after she move off the vehicle, guys. You cannot move off your vehicle. The police is standing right there. The police tell you to come out the vehicle. The police tell you, I'm gonna seize the vehicle. Why would you be moving the vehicle, BUJU?